You're very welcome. Are you ready to get started?
Yep, ready to get started. Thank you. So, hello, my name's Becky Phillips and I am a service manager at Workbridge, and you'll see on the screen is a video running behind which gives you a snapshot of our facilities. So Workbridge are an organisation. We're based on the Bedford Road in Northampton, and we support people with mental illness, learning disabilities, brain injuries or autism, and we help them to learn and develop work and life skills through a range of vocational activities. So we have a wide range of departments at Workbridge. The one you can see on at the moment is our catering training kitchen, and in this kitchen is where you can develop skills. Ooh, we've gone. I'll carry on. So in our catering training kitchen, you can develop skills in a professional kitchen environment. So you help to produce hot meals, you create sweet and savoury products that go on sale in our coffee shop, and you also can gain food hygiene qualifications. So once a service user has built their confidence in this training kitchen, they have the opportunity to then begin sessions in our busy coffee shop. This coffee shop is open to the public. It's well known for our lovely cakes and bakes. And in the coffee shop, service users can learn how to prepare food and drink orders, how to bake our award-winning cakes, and also sort of develop customer service skills and kitchen imported duties that can then be taken into. You can see there we've got our lovely canvas wall, which I'll be talking about in a bit of a later date. Yeah, it's a really busy area where we have the opportunity to serve customers and also sell some of our products as well. Which leads me into ceramics. So in our ceramics department, this is where service users are taught how to produce a range of terracotta products, and these go on sale in our garden centre and sort of other retail areas. So that includes plant pots, we have like decorative pots, herb sticks, that sort of thing. And within this department, service users are taught various pottery techniques and also the importance of quality checks and cleaning checks as well. You can see some of the products on the screen there. So we also do different glazes, so you can turn them into different colours. And then the next one that we're going to lead into is design and print. And this is our very busy canvas print shop. And they're some of the pictures that you saw on the wall in the coffee shop a moment ago. And now in this department, service users can learn how to process customer canvas print and design products, how to scan and edit images using Photoshop, and also how to assemble and produce the actual canvas print. So it's a real varied role. You can see the huge printer there that service users learn how to use, and they get to work with some real beautiful prints. The next one we're going to lead into is our grounds maintenance and nature projects. So it'll be coming on the screen shortly. And this is one of our newest departments. There's lots for us to talk about with that one. It's a real varied department, and it's where service users can undertake a variety of activities in outdoor settings across our site. So this could be beekeeping, which is one of our newest things, and honey is actually going on sale shortly in our shops. You can learn willow weaving, so how to make different willow weaving sculptures, gardening tasks, which help sort of develop our grounds, and also learning how to encourage wildlife, which is obviously really important for us to do. And you can see some of the pictures of our lovely grounds on the screen there. You might be working in the garden centre and plant nursery. So this is another public facing area which we have down at Workbridge. In the plant nursery, you get to learn horticulture techniques for plant production and care, so that's sort of seed sowing and potting. But also for those that want to gain retail experience, you can serve customers in our really busy garden centre. We pot around 350,000 plants a year in our garden centre, so it's a really busy area. All about the names of the plants, which I'm yet to master. Now you'll see in some of the images some of the woodwork items that we produce, and this is where we're going to go into next. Now woodwork is where we produce lots of beautiful wooden home and garden products that go on sale in our garden centre, and we also take sort of bespoke customer orders. So service users can help to make these products, and they also learn how to safely use hand and power tools. There's also wood turning, which is located in this workshop, which is slightly different. And in wood turning, you use a bit of machinery called a lathe, and you produce these beautiful bowls and candlesticks. They're sort of smooth wood turned products. They're really beautiful, and you can see more pictures of that on our website if you want to learn a bit more about that in particular. Now, all of the departments at Workbridge are supported by our office administration and banking tasks in this workshop. Service users can learn computer skills, how to use office software, and also how to carry out tasks such as cash handling, banking, data entry, and also post handling, so things like mail merges, how to use Excel, that sort of thing. You'll see next our contracting department, and this is again one of our busier departments, and this is where service users work as a team to complete contract packaging tasks for our local and national customers as well. So you might be doing some assembly, also mail shots. You get to use our huge shrink wrap machine, quality control checks, and you work with all sorts of weird and wonderful products. So it can be very varied in the types of projects that we're working on and the projects that we're sending out for our customers. You'll see now we go into textiles, and in our textiles department they produce all sorts of products, and it's usually by upcycling items. So this might be baking, they do painting, sewing, plus much more. And finally, the last department to go through with you is our charity shop. And this is another area where service users can gain retail experience. So here they are taught how to sort and price customer donations, but also how to keep a shop well stocked and displayed, and how to use the till. So that covers all the brilliant departments we have at Workbridge. We would love to give you a tour of our facilities. If you are interested in learning more about Workbridge, you can email us on workbridge@standrew.co.uk, and you can also visit our website, which is workbridge.org.uk, or find us on social media. So thank you very much for having us. I think Stacey's put a link to the brochure on the notes, and we hope to hear from some of you soon. Thank you.
Thank you for that. That was really insightful. So a question's come through for you, and it's how to find out what the best option is for our child. So would the service users get to try out the different departments?
Yeah, so what we would always say is to come and have a tour of our facilities in the first instance, which you can do by emailing us or going on our website or social media. So you can come down, you can have a view of the facilities, you can meet the staff and the service users, and then once you've had a thought about which ones you think you might like best, then we can arrange for taster sessions in those departments. So yeah, lots of opportunity for them to try and see what they enjoy doing.
Fantastic, it looks great, and it looks like you've got some amazing facilities, so definitely worth a tour.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having us.